Hello, welcome to Syncios YouTube channel. This guide is about how to transfer data from any iPhone to the new iPhone 13. You can use the iPhone data migration tool available during device setup. And here is another easier way. The tool we used is Syncios Data Transfer. Double-click to run the toolkit and choose Phone Transfer to run it. It provides transfer, restore, and backup. Just choose Transfer. Connect both iPhones to the computer via USB cables. You can click the flip button to change source mobile and target mobile. Then choose the data you want to transfer. You can select all or just choose the data you want to transfer. The program is loading the data. The transfer begins. All data are transferred to the new iPhone 13 successfully. It is really easy. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to our channel to get more useful tips.